Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make stew ribs. First, choose about 3 to 4 pounds of beef short ribs, cut into 2-inch pieces. Pat them very dry and season well with salt and black pepper. This initial step is crucial for a beautiful sear. Next, dice 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, setting them aside for later. These foundational ingredients will build the base of our rich stew. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a heavy-bottomed pot, like a Dutch oven, over medium-high heat. Sear the seasoned short ribs in batches until they are deeply browned on all sides, which usually takes about 8 minutes per batch. This browning creates a rich, complex flavor. Remove the ribs and set them aside, then add your prepared diced vegetables to the pot. After sautéing your vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry red wine, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. Return the seared ribs to the pot, then add 4 cups of rich beef broth and 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. This slow, moist heat will transform the ribs into incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone perfection. Once the ribs are tender, carefully remove them from the pot. Skim any excess fat from the sauce, and if you prefer a thicker consistency, reduce it slightly. Shred the succulent meat from the bones and return it to the rich sauce. Let the stew rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, garnish with fresh parsley and serve your magnificent stew ribs over creamy mashed potatoes or soft polenta for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.